Affiliate marketing for dummies. Let's get started. So, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I'm going to explain exactly, even if you've never heard of it before. So, there are three components to affiliate marketing. If you've been watching some YouTube videos and you see some links in the bottom of the video, in the description, people will likely say, check out the link in the description if you want to see more, if you want to buy it, if you want to do whatever. These are affiliate links, or at least they should be. Most of the time they are. Whether it's me or some other YouTubers, I've done it before, I'll do it again. That means that if you click the link, we get a commission from it. It doesn't cost you any more money. We get a cut from that sale. So it really depends on what affiliate program you're in, whether you're earning a lot or very little. It can really depend, but you get a commission from a sale most of the time. Sometimes it's a click, but that's not very likely. So the three components is the first one is you. You are the centerpiece of affiliate marketing because you are creating an audience, and this is the second piece. And the reason why you need attention from these people is because they are the people that you are going to sell to if you're doing affiliate marketing. And last but not least is the offer. So that's the last piece. That's the company that you're trying to promote, or at least a product that you're trying to promote. And this is an offer that you're trying to sell to your audience. So it may seem very simple just like that, or at least I hope it is, because I'll just go over it again in very simple steps. First thing, you create an audience. Your audience are going to become your customers, some of them at least. And what you're going to sell is somebody else's product. So you put a link, and when they click on it, the company that you're promoting know that you are the one that's been sending the traffic, so you get a commission if they decide to buy something. So I hope that's simple enough, but it's not as simple as it seems because it's not an overnight success. It takes some time. It's not just money thrown to your bank account and make you a millionaire overnight. It's not like that, even though a lot of TV shows like to think it is. They picture overnight successes all the time. Not necessarily affiliate marketing, but basically that never happens apart from if you win the lottery or something. But if you're building a business, it's not an overnight success. Trust me, it may be an overnight success, but it takes a lot of time to become an overnight success. But I'm a bit off topic, so I'll get right back into it. So if you want to do this, you're going to have to sacrifice a lot of time. That's just an investment that you have to make. Whether you spend some money or spend some time, it's an investment. When you're starting off affiliate marketing, you don't necessarily need some money, but you do have to spend a lot of time. And if you're building a blog, you will have to spend some money to make it work. So often you see some people, just like I touched on, that make money really fast. And these people seem very annoying, but they have had some other experiences with business or talking in front of a camera or any other thing that can help them out to build their business. When you first start, it's your first business, you probably will fail quite a bit in the beginning at least. You're not going to be like all these people that you see making a ton of money overnight, because these people have experiences in other things that made them be good at what they are doing now. So how do you do this? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche. You need to find something that you're passionate about, but that can also make you money. The reason that you have to be passionate about what you're talking about is not some sort of hippie thing, just follow your dreams and do what you like, and money will just pour into your bank account by magic. It's not that. The reason why you have to be passionate about it is because you're going to have to pump out a lot of content. And when I say a lot of content, I mean for months, for years, and you have to aim for years because months may happen, but you have to aim for several years pumping out content. If you don't like that, you're just gonna give up. So you have to really talk about something that you really enjoy, that you're passionate about. And passion can come later on, but at least you have to like it, like what you're talking about, because otherwise you'll give up, you'll never make any money. So that's the first step. You have to really like what you do. The second thing that I just said is the money. Because if you're making a YouTube channel around collecting rocks on the beach, you likely won't be able to make any money from that. And that's just an example. I don't know anybody that really wants to collect rocks on the beach. And there are a ton of examples, but basically you have to have people that are passionate about it as well. So if you like dogs and things like that, that can help quite a bit. But you have to keep in mind that you have to have a product that you can sell to these people. If you're just showing some houses, it's going to be a bit harder. If you're a real estate agent, however, and you show the inside houses of what you want to sell, that can work. But we're slightly drifting away from affiliate marketing because that's what this video is about. So, once you pick a niche, you have to choose a platform. I choose YouTube because YouTube is video, and video is the way the world is going. People like the interaction with the person that's making the video. I know I do when I watch people on YouTube, and I hope you do as well when you're watching this video. You can also choose blogging. Blogging is a very big one. A lot of people are doing that, and a lot of people are making a killing with blogging. And you can even embed your videos in your blog, so you can make a YouTube channel as well as a blog and make them work together. So the platform, I should have said that before, but the platform that you're going to choose is where you're going to post your content. You probably guessed that, but this is what's going to happen. Again, no matter which one you choose, you have to choose the one that you prefer, but in either case, it's going to take you a long time to build that following, build the subscriber base, build the views, and no matter if it's on YouTube or if you're building a blog, it works just as well. So once you've picked that niche, you need to start making content. This is your job. Your job is to make the content. So there are different ways to make content. The first one is what I'm doing right now, is to teach people. Teaching is very big with affiliate marketing or business in general, because your audience are people that come to learn. The other way to do it is entertainment. And you see all these bloggers, or vloggers I should say, all these people just filming their lives, or just, it depends what you're trying to do, but these people are to entertain. So you have to choose which one you're in. And even if you're in the entertainment niche, you can still help out people on teaching. You see a lot of women that vlog about their lives and do tutorials on makeup. This happens quite a bit. You can also entertain on videos. You see some videos of Alex Becker. You probably heard about him. If you haven't, he's teaching people how to make money online as well, in a very different niche than I am. He's not talking about affiliate marketing, but he's quite a funny person, and he's teaching mostly, but he's entertaining as well. So you have to choose one, but it's not necessarily strictly one. You can still entertain people if you're teaching, and you can teach people if you're entertaining. But that was kind of a ramble, but these are basically the two things that you have to know. You have to choose one or the other. So no matter which one you choose, you have to provide value to your audience. So whether that's entertaining or that's teaching, the first thing that you want to focus on is bring value. If you're not bringing any value, if you're not making people laugh, if you're not teaching people, like any of these things, it just won't work. Now here is the hard part. You have to do this over and over and over again, very, very, very consistently. That is the only way that you're going to build an audience. They will start to like you, trust you, and they will buy anything that you're trying to sell because they know that you have a good intention in mind. And when you try to sell something, it will most likely help them. So once you've built that audience, you can start leaving affiliate links in the description of your videos. Not all your videos are to sell. 99.9% of my videos, I'm not trying to sell you anything because that's just not going to build your audience. So make sure that you do that, but not too often. But this is the way that you're going to start to generate some revenue. So do some research on that, which program that you want, but mostly which niche you want to be in. So once you start doing that, you have some followers, you have posted some links in the description, and people are watching your video, they're consuming your content, you'll be able to build an email list. And this is one of the best things that you can do. You don't want to do this too early because it's just not going to help if you have no audience. But once you start having quite a few followers, you want to build that email list. Email lists are one of the most powerful things that you can have because it's just like pressing a button and making money. Basically, you send out an email saying this will help you, and you bring them value and they spend that money, they're happy about it, you make money, they get their value, and everyone's happy. So how do you build that email list? You give out something for free. So if you're teaching, the best way to do this is giving away something like an ebook, for example. Ebooks are very powerful. You just make that, pack a ton of value in that ebook of what you know and how to start that business or whatever it may be. And to get that ebook, they have to enter their email. And that is exactly how you build an email list. And once you have that email list, just like I said before, you can just send them emails to bring them value, one, but also to sell them the products that you are an affiliate for. So you give them the affiliate link that is yours. So what offers are we talking about? Because this is affiliate marketing for dummies. They're from companies that have affiliate offers. So Amazon has one because Amazon is the biggest one actually, but most of the companies that you know of, they have an affiliate program. So if you want to know if the company that you want to promote has an affiliate program, go to Google, type the name of the company, space affiliate, and you should find out. But 99% of the big companies have one, and even the ones that are a bit smaller. Keep in mind that with an email list, you can write the email in advance with what is called an autoresponder. So if you have one of these, they are paid, so you have to pay for them. They're not too expensive at the beginning. And you just write your emails for 1 week ahead, and people will get emails for the whole week helping them out and giving them affiliate links. And I say 1 week, but it can be more, it can be less. It really depends on what you're ready to put in and what value you have so that you can give your audience and what affiliate marketing links you have. Now, I did say it's not free, but again, I want to say this over and over again. If you have an audience but you don't have an autoresponder, you're losing a ton of money. That is what's going to make you the money. This is the closest thing to press a button and send them and get some money. So once you have the whole week that the people sign up, they get emails for a whole week. You don't stop there. From time to time, you send an email out from You just write that email helping them out and give them an affiliate link, and people will buy even if it's been 2 years since they have been on your email list. Now, make sure that you do send emails regularly because people will just forget about you if they've been on your email list for that long. Now, remember that this is long term. If you want to make money fast, you need to get a job. Money that comes fast can go away even faster than that. So that is why on this channel I'm talking about building a business that lasts and not how to make get rich quick money and then it just goes away and you're not making any money. I want you to make money to build some freedom in your life instead of just making a quick buck here and there. So if you want to make money fast, please just get a job, and that's gonna help you out way more than this channel. So basically what I said in this video is to become an influencer, because as its name suggests, you're going to influence people, help them out, and then you can post that affiliate link that you have because you signed up to an affiliate program. Obviously, when I say an influencer, you influence people, you want to influence them in the good way. I'm helping you out to build a better life for yourself. Don't try and scam people because that's just going to hurt your brand and your money is going to go away really fast. So, with that being said, let me know what you think in the comments, because I hope I did a good job. If you've never heard about affiliate marketing, let me know if you've started affiliate marketing, if you stopped, what stopped you, and all these things. I really want to know. And if you haven't started as well, because I want to know. So, with that being said, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.